So think about this. Have you ever wondered if the market in the graph is dead? Because this particular cryptocurrency has been in a massive downward trend. It's been going down. Why would a market go down if it wasn't dead? If people was not interested in accumulating and buying this cryptocurrency, the graph? Let's talk about it. Because the market in the graph went completely against my last price prediction, which was back here on July the 31st. I was bullish into the market in the graph there, and it went completely off track and down. So yes, this price prediction did not go right. Right here on August the 15th, 9.67% loss right there. And it will happen, and it will continue to happen because we are simply giving a probabilistic base as to where we suspect price is going to go. Now, question though, let me extend this line right quick. I want to ask you all the question. Are we still trending down? Is the market in the graph still trending down? Or have we began to see a level of support occurring? Yeah, the market currently in the graph is consolidating, and it is trading outside of this downtrend line. So we could get rid of that now. So the next thing we need to do is create the basis as to where we're finding that support. And currently it's right there around 7.5 cents. That is where the buyers currently reside and are willing to buy this currency. Right there around 7.5 cents. Why would I say that? Because the market did it twice. The buyers in the market in the graph bought it there twice, 7.5 cents. Cool. Where are the sellers then? If there's buyers at that price, then it means that sellers has to be a little bit higher, right? And I think you're right. That is where the sellers are. Why would I say that? Because every time price in the graph comes to this price level, 9.5 cents, what happens to the price? It goes down. What happens to the price? It goes down. What happens to the price? Will it go down? We've already have historical information telling us what happens every time price hits that level. Will it happen again this time? One thing that is different this time is the amount of volume that is coming through the graph. We've definitely seen a lot of anticipation, a lot of activity, a lot of volatility, all because of supposedly a spot Bitcoin ETF is about to be released by BlackRock, right? So it causes everybody to rush into the market and buy these altcoins because they think that now this is the new bull cycle. But in actuality, we really haven't seen the market really change its trend. And in this particular case for the graph, it's just trending within a trading channel. That's it. So all of the hype that is being created on YouTube and on social media and mainstream media about a Bitcoin spot ETF, the chart needs to reflect that it's actually true first. And let's say that the market in the graph was to break out of this trading channel, then yeah, I would think that the market will be believing that a spot Bitcoin ETF is about to be released. But since it hasn't done it yet, off the price chart, that should have already given you a red flag that is not true. Take a look at the graph on the 2-day chart. Okay. I do like this last completed 2-day price bar. Fantastic. It tells us that the market was bullish and that it was going to go higher. But now we're seeing weakness. We're seeing stockpile hitting the market, selling pressure hitting the market in the graph. Here it is on the 3. That's the reason why the market in the graph closed off the highs on this printed 3-day price bar right here. Take a look at this on the 5. And on the weekly. 2 weeks. 330-minute chart. What do you guys think? You see this 330-minute bar? What happened there? Sellers hit the market. That's what happened. Why would I say sellers? Because the volume is high and the bar closed off the highs. There really wasn't that many buyers on this 330-minute bar. Now, the good thing is that so far, the market in the graph is holding that selling, meaning that there's enough demand, buyers in the market in the graph right now that is telling you, hey, I think this is a cheap price. Let me come in and buy some of the graph. But if those buyers leave the market because they ran out of money to buy, then the market in the graph will do this. Continue to go down until it finds the next batch of buyers. That is how the market works and operates. It tries to give you what you want. Here it is on the 1 hour chart. The 3. Take a look at where the buyers are. The buyers in the graph are not letting the price go below this level. And that needs to be maintained in order for this particular market to break out. It has to hold an area of support. So it's a good thing to see that buyers are at least elevating their status on where they want to buy, because they bought here. The buyers bought here. You can see it's kind of stair-stepping its way higher, meaning that they're not willing to let the market fall below these certain levels. That has to continue. And so far it is. But my only concern is this amount of volume, this selling volume that hit the market in the graph, if they're still there up here at the top portion at 9.5 cents, 0.096. That's the problem. Okay. So right now, yes, the market in the graph is currently bullish. But how long will that sustain? It's anyone's guess. Okay, so let me do this. I do suspect that the market is trying to go higher, and we're going to play that. Now, price in the graph, seeing that it already came and bounced off support at 7.5 cents, my next area of support that I want to see price hold, the buyers hold, is going to be around 8.5. I don't want to see the market break below 8.5 cents. Because if that occurs, then we're just going to continue to trade within this trading channel then. But if the market does come down, holds 8.5 cents, then the idea that the price is still bullish is apparent. Still valid. Okay. First target. It's going to be right here where resistance currently is. 5.5% right there. It's not a lot, but I understand. I want to show you where the problems are. Then my second target will be up here at the high that occurred on August 17th. 9.76% there. And that's it. Those 2 targets right now, because I'm not actually convinced that this market is ready to break out. Now, maybe in the next 2 to 3 days, we might get that. But as of right now, I'm just going to hold these 2 targets. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability and trade different.